everyone. This Makar Sankranti, let's make something special, healthy and super festive. My name is Dipti Harshad Vartak and today we are making white til and jaggery chikkis. They are perfectly crunchy, healthy, delicious and they are so festive. So let's get started. First, we will take white til or sesame seeds. Let's take them in a pan and roast it on a low flame. This step is so crucial to bring out that nutty aroma and make them extra crispy. Now make sure that you keep stirring so that they don't burn. And once they are nicely roasted, remove them from the pan to cool them down. Now in the same pan, add a spoonful of ghee and the grated jaggery. Let it melt completely while continuously stirring it. The trick to get the perfect chikki texture is to ensure that the jaggery reaches its right consistency. Now let me show you how to get the perfect consistency for crunchy chikkis. For this, take a small bowl of water, pour a drop of melted jaggery into it. Now, if it solidifies and breaks with a snap, it's perfectly cooked. But if not, cook for few more seconds. Now we will add the roasted til into the melted jaggery and mix it thoroughly. The seeds should be evenly coated for that perfect chikki texture. And now, guys, it is time to transfer the mixture onto a butter paper. Quickly spread it out evenly and just press it down gently. To keep the festive vibe, we are shaping it into kites. And once it cools down slightly, trim the uneven edges to give a proper neater look. Let's cut the chikki into beautiful kite shapes. This will make them extra festive and fun for kids too. Guys, have a look at this perfect texture. Now let me break a piece and show you the crispiness. Do you hear that crunch? They are perfectly done. Now let's make it even more exciting. I'm melting some dark chocolate and drizzling it over our kite-shaped chikkis. Doesn't it look delicious already? For that extra festive touch, I'm adding colorful sprinkles on the top as well. It's fun, vibrant and perfect for the celebrations. You can involve your kids as well while making these amazing chikkis. Now look at this. We have plain til chikki, chocolate drizzled chikki and colorful sprinkle chikki as well. All perfect for Makar Sankranti. Wishing you all a very happy and sweet festive season. Do like, share and subscribe for more such fun recipes. Happy Makar Sankranti!